The Workflow Builder visual editor in Comala Document Management Cloud enables you to easily customize the appearance and functionality of your workflows within a single space. In this video, let's see how you can customize your workflow using the visual editor. Start by logging into the Confluence space where you want to create a new custom workflow or edit an existing one. Go to Space Settings and select Comala Document Management under App Links. Here, you'll see all the available workflow templates, and you can also create or configure a new workflow from this page. For this video, let's select an existing custom workflow. Now, click the Edit icon under Actions to open this workflow in the visual editor. The visual editor has two main sections, the Workflow panel and the Workflow Navigator. The Workflow panel is where you edit your workflow. Add or modify states, update your workflow details, manage parameters, and create triggers. The Workflow Navigator shows a visual flowchart of your workflow. You can click any state or use the Workflow, State, or Parameter buttons to open that component in the Workflow panel. You can also switch to the JSON code editor at any time by clicking the code editor icon. For this custom workflow, the visual builder displays the following: the workflow name, workflow elements, the individual workflow states, and a visual workflow diagram. Open the workflow editor by selecting the workflow name in the workflow panel and clicking the edit icon. Edit the workflow name and the description as required. Click Apply to save the changes in the workflow panel. Now, edit the workflow states. You can edit an existing state or add a new state as required. In this example, let's edit the draft state. There are 3 transitions and 1 approval in the draft state. Click Transitions to view and add transitions for this state. Edit transitions as required. Now, to see which approval is set, click the draft state and then Approvals. You can see all the approvals for this state. Click the Approval button and the Edit Approval panel will appear. You can edit the approval's name, change reviewer settings, and automatically assign users or groups. Click Advanced Options to require users to electronically sign for document approvals or set any custom action labels. Once the required changes are done, click Apply. Next, test the changes made to this workflow. For example, open any document in your space that needs approval. With a content review named Approval, the reviewer can simply decide whether to approve or reject the content. The workflow sets the transition destination state for each decision. The approved state in this workflow is the final or published state. Visit our documentation center to learn more. Thanks for watching.